Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have discussed, we have started the chapter number 2, utility analysis, and we have seen what is mean by utility. It is a want satisfying capacity of any commodity, okay, and after that its features. Today we are moving on to the types of utility. What are the different types of utility? So let's move on to the first form. First type, it is a form utility. When the utility of commodity increases due to the change in shape or structure of commodity, then we called it as a form utility. Means whenever we are consuming any commodity, we get the satisfaction, we got the utility out of that. But we get more utility after its change in its structure of that commodity, or after changing its shape, or after making some changes. If we are getting more utility, then we called it as a form utility. Let's take one example. As wood, I have some sheets of wood. Okay, when I'm convert it into the furniture, I will get more utility out of that. Okay, so when when the utility of this wood will increase, when I'm going to change its form, and I'm converting that woods into the furniture, I will get more utility out of that wood. Okay, what I've done, I have changed its structure, I have given it a separate form, a different form, so that I can use it to satisfy my needs, right? So this is the utility. This is the first type of utility, form utility. क्या है फॉर्म यूटिलिटी? अगर किसी भी चीज़ को थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करने से उससे हमें ज़्यादा यूटिलिटी मिल जाए, तो we called it as in form. We are changing its form, we are forming it into something different, right? तो हम एक एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं कि मेरे पास कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा लकड़ियाँ हैं. जब मैं उस लकड़ियों को उसको चेंज करके, मतलब उसका मैं स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करके उससे मैं फर्नीचर बनवा रही हूँ, टेबल, चेयर्स और कबर्ड्स जब मैं बनवा रही हूँ, तो आई एम गेटिंग मोर यूटिलिटी आउट ऑफ दैट. सो ये जो है, इट इज़ अ फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ यूटिलिटी, फॉर्म यूटिलिटी. तो वो वुड से ज़्यादा यूटिलिटी मुझे कहाँ से मिलेगी? फर्नीचर से मिलेगी, राइट? मीन्स वुड इज़ ऑल्सो कमोडिटी and furniture is also a commodity, but I can get the more utility out of furniture than wood, right? So I hope you understood. So when wood is converted into furniture, we will get more utility. Next type is place utility. When the utility of commodity increases due to change in place of utilization, it is called as place utility. It is generally created by transferring the goods from the place of production to the place of consumption. Obviously, some goods are only produced at particular place. We can take an example of tea. Assam is the state where production of tea is quality production of tea is done. Okay, but the tea which is produced in Assam, we export it out of India also, we are using it into India also. So though it is produced in Assam, we can also use it to satisfy our want. Why it happens? Because we have transferred it from Assam to the different places, right? So many times utility of any commodity changes due to change in its place of utilization. Okay, for an example, we can take an example, जैसे कि woolen clothes have more utility at the cold place. Okay, so we can get the more utility out of it where the environment is so cold, right? So we can get the utility from the woolen clothes in Kashmir more than Bombay, right? So why I'm getting more utility out of woolen clothes? Because I have changed the place of its utilization, right? So the woolen clothes find more utility in the Kashmir. Why? Due to the cold environment. With the change in place, I am getting more utility. Okay, so this is the one of the most important form, place utility. Okay, very simple part. We are just uh, learning the basic things about the utility. Our next discussion will be on time utility. when the utility of commodity increases due to change in time of utilization, then the time utility this increases. Time utility also refers to the storing of goods and use them at the right time. Okay, as you know that production of rice is only takes place in rainy season, but you can utilize it in a whole year, right? Means what we are doing, when the season of production of rice is going on, we produce the rice, we store it, okay, and we are using it according to our need for a whole year. Okay, so at that time, the time of consumption is different and time of production is different. So whenever we need it, that time we will use it. Okay, so when the utility of commodity increases due to change in time of utilization, it is a time utility, right? umbrellas umbrellas, we will get the more utilities from the umbrella in the rainy season than other any time, right? So we use the umbrellas in the rainy season. Why? That time we need it, that time we need it to protect ourselves. So umbrellas find more utility during the rainy season than anything else. ओके अगर हमें किसी भी चीज़ से ज़्यादा यूटिलिटी मिल रही है, हमारी वांट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेटिस्फाई हो रही है जब हम उस कमोडिटी को राइट टाइम पे यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, राइट टाइम पे यूज कर रहे हैं, देन वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ टाइम यूटिलिटी. Okay, I hope you have understood. We are moving on to the next concept, that is service utility. As you know that there are goods and services. As we purchase the goods, in the same manner we also get the service from different professionals. Okay, like doctors, engineers, architects, teachers. Okay, so the service utility is what, when you it arises when the professional rendered their service to you, to society. Okay, when different professional provide you the service and you are taking their service, it is the service utility. Okay, but there is a particular time to take this services, like as you can take the current example, so many doctors are handling the patients of corona. Okay, so when I am going to the doctor, why? Because I am sick. So that time when I'm sick, I can get the utility from doctor only, because that particular service can be provided by doctor only. If I'm sick, I cannot go to the lawyer and can say, please do my treatment. No, I have to find a person who can treat me, who can give me a perfect service. Okay, so it is the case where, or it is a type of utility where production and consumption is taking at the same time. Okay, means what is the production and consumption? Generally, many times it happens that place of production is different and place of consumption is different. जैसे कि I've given you the example of tea. It is mostly tea is, the huge production is done in Assam of quality tea, but we can use it in anywhere. So time of production is different and time of utilization is different. Another example I've given you of rice. Rice is produced in a whole year, but we are using it anytime. So many times it happens that the time of production, place of production is different, the place of consumption and time of consumption is different. But service utility is the form of utility or a type of utility where when the service is rendered at that time only, you are taking that service. For example, I'm teaching you right now and you are learning it right now, means I'm giving you the service and you're taking it immediately, right? So it is only the form where production place and consumption takes place at the same time. Not I'm saying about place, at the same time. Okay, so services by some professional is changed, and the services by some professional, same professional, is changed by person to person, right? The doctor, he is giving you the treatment according to your illness. Okay, so by patient to patient, treatment is different. Treatment is different for every patient according to his illness, right? So सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड बाय सेम प्रोफेशनल. कोई एक डॉक्टर हो तो वो हर पेशेंट को सेम मेडिसिन नहीं देगा. ओके, वेन एवर ही इज ट्रीटिंग हिज पेशेंट, ही विल चेक दैट व्हाट इज द illness, what is the problem, then according to that he will try to cure by giving him a different medicines, राइट तो हर किसी का ट्रीटमेंट अलग है, ठीक है। तो सर्विस यूटिलिटी एक ऐसा फॉर्म है जो हर किसी को डिफरेंट यूटिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है, राइट। और वैसे भी हमने फीचर्स में तो देखा ही है कि जो यूटिलिटी है इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्टिव कॉन्सेप्ट, ओके। बट ये सर्विस यूटिलिटी के केस में बहुत ज़्यादा हमें दिखाई देता है, ओके। व्हाट इज सर्विस यूटिलिटी? जब हम किसी डॉक्टर्स के सर्विस ले रहे हैं, किसी लॉयर्स से सर्विस ले रहे हैं, किसी टीचर्स से हम पढ़ रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ अ सर्विस यूटिलिटी, ओके। सो here we have example of doctor and teacher have taken, right? Doctor, treatment given by doctor to cure your illness is a service utility. Knowledge given by your teacher to their students is the service utility, right? So our next point is knowledge utility. Very nice point, very different. When the utility of commodity increases after getting the complete knowledge about that commodity, okay, that is how to use that commodity, what are the different functions it is which is provided by that particular commodity, how much it is useful, is it useful or not, how much useful it is. So after getting all these things, okay, we can get the knowledge utility of out of one that commodity, okay. I have a book front of me, right, but I'm not able to read, I'm illiterate, I don't know how to read it, how to learn how what is given in that book. Will the book provide me utility? No, okay. So the person who know how to utilize the commodity, the person who have knowledge how to utilize that commodity, will that commodity will provide him a more and more utility, right? So when you have a adequate knowledge about its utilization, then it will provide you a more utility. मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन एंड फीचर्स वाला एक लैपटॉप ला के रख दिया, कंप्यूटर ला के रख दिया, बट मुझे कुछ ही फंक्शंस उसमें से पता है, मुझे सारे फंक्शंस का नॉलेज नहीं है उस तो मेरे कंपैरिजन में यहाँ पे एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है, राइट, हु नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट लैपटॉप और दैट पर्टिकुलर कंप्यूटर। तो कौन उस कंप्यूटर को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकता है, मैं और दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर? Obviously that software engineer. Why? Because he has the knowledge, he possesses the knowledge about the each and every function of that computer, right? Okay, so the knowledge utility arises only when you have the knowledge to utilize the commodity, right? So the book will give you utility only when you have knowledge how to read it, okay. The next point and the last point of our discussion is possession utility. What is mean by possession? When any commodities, the ownership of any commodity or the commodity is actually with you, then it is called as you are taking its possession, okay. You many times heard this word in case of, you can say, by taking home, okay. But while purchasing any house, you can many times ready possession means what? Now the house, the flat is ready for utilization, right? So what is possession? When, for example, I have paid some money and I have booked my bike, मैंने एक बाइक बुक कर दी, I have paid the money, but I need to wait for 2 months for its delivery. Though I have paid for the bike, can I utilize it right now? No. Why? Because I do not possess that bike with me. I'm going to get it after 2 months. 2 महीने के बाद मुझे वो बाइक मिलने वाली है। वैसे ही मैंने घर खरीदा, 2-4 महीने के बाद मुझे वो घर मिलने वाला है रेडी होके, थोड़ा बहुत काम शुरू है इसलिए। तो अभी तो मैंने पैसे तो भर दिए, पर क्या अभी मुझे उसका यूज़ हो रहा है? Am I able to utilize that home right now? No. When I will get the utility out of that home? जब मुझे वो फिजिकली वो फ्लैट, वो जो घर है वो मैंने परचेस किया, जो मुझे एक्चुअली मिलेगा, जब मैं वहाँ पर रहने जाऊँगी, then I will get the utility out of that flat. So it is what about the possession, right? उस फ्लैट में से मुझे यूटिलिटी तब वो यूज़फुल होगा मेरे लिए, तब आई विल एबल टू सेटिस्फाई माई वांट आफ्टर गेटिंग इट्स पोजेशन, राइट? तब तक वो, जब मैंने पैसे भी भरे हैं, मेरे पास ओनरशिप भी है, उसका कागजात भी है, नो इशू, नो मैटर, ओनरशिप के साथ साथ मुझे उसका फिजिकल फॉर्म में उसका पोजेशन भी चाहिए. इट अराइजेस व्हेन द ओनरशिप और the ownership of the commodity in the physical form is transferred to the party who have purchased it, right? So when you get your flat in actually ready, okay, then you can use it and can get the more utility out of that commodity. The person who purchased the house only get utility after receiving its actual possession. This is what about the possession utility. I hope you have understood the current examples. Tomorrow in the next session our discussion will be on the total utility and marginal utility. It is a very important point to know what is total utility and what is marginal utility. Why? Because the next overall discussion is based on only those two concepts, right? So we'll be discussing it in the next session. Till that, revise the features of utility, revise the types of utility, because all these features and these forms of utility it will be referred in the next session only. So you should be cleared with the concept. Read both the concept and be prepared. It is a very easy and basic part. If at all you get the question on this part, it is very easy to answer. Okay, so let's have a quick revision of overall presentation we have seen, or overall the part just now we have seen, right? The types of utility, right? Forms of utility. First is form utility. After changing the form of production, any product, then we will get more utility. After that, next is the time utility, place utility. When we change the place of utilization, we get more utility out of the commodity, right? After that, time utility. When we change the time of consumption, we get more utility out of that. Okay, so it's about the time utility. After that, service utility. When we get when we are taking service from different professional like teachers, lawyers, doctors, engineers, architects, right? Okay, so here the time of production and consumption is similar. Knowledge utility. When we possess the knowledge about the product, we can use it in more proper way, we can satisfy my want in a more proper way, right? So it is about the knowledge. And next is our possession utility. It arises when we get the actual possession, means physically the commodity is present with me. Okay, so here we have finished with the forms of utility. Tomorrow our discussion will be on total utility and marginal utility and the law of diminishing marginal utility. Okay, thank you.